Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're driving deep into the Suzuki electric auto rickshaw as part of Suzuki's ambitious move towards sustainability and eco-friendly solutions for urban transport. With pollution levels on the rise, Suzuki has recognized the need for cleaner alternatives, and this electric rickshaw is their answer. Electric rickshaws are an increasingly popular mode of transport in countries like India, where they are used primarily for last-mile connectivity in both urban and rural areas. The Suzuki electric auto rickshaw provides a sustainable, low-emission alternative to traditional gasoline-powered rickshaws. Key features. Let's go over some of the key features of the Suzuki electric auto rickshaw. 1. Electric powertrain. The electric rickshaw is powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, which offers longer life and faster charging times compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. The electric motor ensures that the rickshaw runs silently, providing a smooth ride without the noise and vibration commonly associated with petrol or diesel engines. 2. Zero emissions. The Suzuki electric auto rickshaw is a zero-emission vehicle. This means it doesn't release harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, or particulate matter, helping reduce the carbon footprint and improve air quality in cities. 3. Battery range. The electric rickshaw has a range of approximately 8,100 kilometers on a full charge, depending on load and terrain. This makes it ideal for daily short-distance commuting in urban areas. It can easily be charged through standard charging points or a dedicated rickshaw charging station. Charging time. The charging time for the Suzuki electric auto rickshaw is about 4 or 5 hours for a full charge. The charging process is relatively quick, ensuring that operators can get back on the road faster. Speed and performance. Suzuki's electric auto rickshaw is designed to reach speeds of up to 50 to 60 km per hour, making it suitable for city driving and urban traffic. The motor provides a smooth and responsive acceleration, even on hilly roads. 6. Load capacity. The electric rickshaw is designed to carry passengers as well as cargo. It can typically carry 3-4 passengers in addition to the driver, or it can be configured for cargo use with more space for goods. 7. Safety features. The rickshaw is equipped with modern safety features such as a stable chassis, effective braking systems, and well-designed suspension for smoother rides even on rough roads. The vehicle is also designed with a robust frame and body, ensuring durability over long-term use. Environmental impact. Electric rickshaws, in general, play a significant role in reducing urban air pollution. In countries like India, where auto rickshaws are a major part of daily life, the shift to electric versions helps reduce the reliance on fossil fuels, contributing to the fight against climate change. By switching to an electric-powered auto, Suzuki is aligning with global efforts to reduce carbon emissions and provide a sustainable alternative to fossil fuel-powered transport. Moreover, the quiet operation of electric vehicles, EVs, also helps reduce noise pollution in urban areas. Cost benefits. 1. Lower operating costs. One of the biggest advantages of electric rickshaws is the reduction in operating costs. While the initial purchase price may be slightly higher than traditional petrol rickshaws, the ongoing costs are much lower. Electricity is cheaper than fuel, and maintenance costs are significantly reduced, as there are fewer moving parts in an electric motor. Government subsidies. Many governments are offering subsidies and incentives to encourage the adoption of electric vehicles, including rickshaws. This makes it more affordable for rickshaw operators to switch to electric models and start saving on fuel and maintenance costs immediately. Benefits for rickshaw drivers and operators. Lower running costs. By transitioning to electric, rickshaw drivers and operators can save on fuel costs and reduce maintenance expenses, which can be a major advantage for people who rely on rickshaws as their main source of income. Improved profit margins. With the rise in fuel prices, the savings on electricity and reduced maintenance make electric rickshaws more cost-effective in the long run. Government support. Many governments offer financial assistance and incentives to operators who switch to electric vehicles, making the transition even more attractive. Challenges to adoption. While the Suzuki electric auto rickshaw has many benefits, there are still challenges to be addressed for wider adoption. Initial cost. The upfront cost of purchasing an electric rickshaw is generally higher than that of a traditional petrol-powered one, though the operational savings can offset this in the long run. Charging infrastructure. The lack of widespread charging stations in some areas can be a limitation. However, as electric vehicles gain more traction, we expect charging infrastructure to improve. Battery life and disposal. While lithium-ion batteries have a long lifespan, they eventually need to be replaced. Recycling and proper disposal of old batteries are important for reducing environmental impact. Suzuki's role in the EV market. Suzuki's entry into the electric rickshaw market is part of the company's broader commitment to sustainability. Suzuki has been a key player in the Indian market for decades, and its efforts in the electric vehicle (EV) space represent a forward-thinking approach to urban mobility. The company has also introduced electric cars in some regions and plans to expand its electric vehicle lineup in the future, including both two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the Suzuki electric auto rickshaw offers a significant step toward a cleaner, more sustainable future for urban transport. With its zero emissions, cost savings, and performance, it provides a viable solution for both the environment and rickshaw operators. If you're in an area where electric vehicles are being adopted and are considering switching to an electric rickshaw, Suzuki's electric